So today, continuing our Python tutorial, let us discuss about different types of inheritance. We have four different types of inheritance in Python. Basically, single inheritance, multiple inheritance, multi-level inheritance, and hierarchical inheritance. Let us discuss about each one in a clear way. Getting into single inheritance, it's a normal inheritance like we draw the properties of one class to another class. Drawing properties from one class to another class is called single inheritance. Okay, if you don't know about the inheritance topic, I'll throw the link in the description box. Please go through it. You'll get to know about inheritance as well as single inheritance, which is nothing but normal inheritance. Now, let us get into multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance is nothing but drawing properties from two classes to a single class. That is, we are inheriting the properties of class A and class B to class C. Okay, here we have two parent classes and one child class. In the picture shown here, we have A and B as parent class and C as child class. I'm on my PyCharm now. I'm going to explain the topic of multiple inheritance in a clear way by using a simple example. Let us have the generic names for the classes and methods. Okay, I'm having the class A. Firstly, I'm having an init method here. With an init method, I'm having a parameter name. Now, I'm declaring the parameter name here. Self.name is equals to name. If you don't know about declaration of variables within the class, or if you don't know about the init method, please go through the videos I have linked in the description box. Okay. Now I want to print the first parent class and also want to print, I want to use my parameter, right? I want to print name. Okay. Now I want to create another class. I have already said that in multiple inheritance we must have at least two parent classes, right? Class B. I'm again having an init parameter. Self, this time let's say age. Self.age is equals to age, right? Now I want to print the second parent class. And I want to print age, right? This time I also want to have another method here, def method 1, print method of parent class 2. Okay, now I want to create a child class. We have two parent classes, class A and class B. We have the methods for it. And also for inheritance, the concept of inheritance is about parent classes and child class. Without a child class, the inheritance is never completed, right? So I want to create a child class and I want to inherit class A and class B, right? If you don't know how to inherit the properties of class A and class B to class C, please go through my previous video of inheritance to understand the concept of inheritance in a clear way. Okay. Now, within this, I want to create a method 2, and I want to print the child class in multiple inheritance. Okay, now we have created three classes, two parent classes and a child class. We have inherited the properties of parent classes A and B to child class C. Now we have to see it's working, right? So I want to create an object obj is equals to, I want to create the object of child class. I want to create the parameters object.name is equals to, let's have some John, and object.age is equals to, let's say 20. Now I want to call the method also of obj.method1. Okay, now our program is completed. We have two parent classes and a child class which has inherited the properties of both the parent classes A and B. And also we have created the object, we have called the methods of parent class, and we have called the parameters of parent class, right? Now let us go and run the program. Oh, we have got an error, right? In it missing one required positional argument, name. Here we have declared a init method for class A which is given to class C. But we have also declared the init method for class B, right? But the init method of class A overrides the init method of class B as we have inherited class A first, okay? Now to clear your confusion, let us declare B comma A, okay? I'll run it again. This time we got init missing one required position argument, the same error, but this time the argument is not name, it is age. That is the parameter of init method of the class B, okay? As we have declared the class B first, okay? Now I want to give the required position argument age is equals to 20, right? I'll run it again. Yeah, this time we have got everything worked correctly. The second parent class and the age and method of parent class 2. So this is all about multiple inheritance, the concept of inheriting the properties of two classes to a single child class. Let us discuss about multi-level inheritance and hierarchical inheritance in the next video. So that's all for today. I'm going to end the video now. Please subscribe my channel for more Python videos and also for Python programs to learn Python from the beginner stage. Okay, so I'm going to help you in your Python journey. You can ask any doubts in the comment section given below. Okay, if you like this video, also give it a big thumbs up. Thank you. Bye bye.